Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is going on YouTube? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get admin commands in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots Roblox. This uses a working code that you can redeem right now, and it is going to give you access to the secret admin commands panel in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I do plan on making many more tutorials for Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. So let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's show you how to get this working Escape Tsunami for Brainrots code that you can redeem in your game to get access to the admin commands panel. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone. Now, I know you probably play this game on your PC, but this is just to get your code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So you got to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this, guys, into your mobile phone internet browser, and Cold Coupons is basically a coupon code website, and they have codes for tons of different games. So you need to search using the search bar where it says search here at the top of the screen for Escape Tsunami. So just type that in, Escape Tsunami for Brainrots Roblox. This is the codes page here, guys. Now, what you're going to want to do when you're on this page is scroll down and just simply look for this one, the admin commands code. And this is a simple code that you can redeem in your game, and it is going to give you access to the admin commands in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. So this entire process literally takes about 5 minutes, guys. And this is going to give you access to the admin panel, which gives you tons of features, including all secrets. You can spawn specific secrets. You can get maximum or infinite speed and infinite money as well. So as you can see, you need to unlock your code here. Your code is currently locked, and this basically stops people from stealing all of the available codes. So you need to click on Get Full Code. And you're going to see this screen here that tells you what you need to do. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Cold Coupons. Now, on this page, there is a list of tasks. As you can see, they're all completely free. And all you need to do, guys, is select 2 of them, following the description below each one, because that basically tells you what you need to do to complete the tasks. And if you complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to this page on Cold Coupons, and your Escape Tsunami for Brainrots code will be unlocked, and that is going to give you access to the admin commands panel for free. So that is it, guys. Head on over to Cold Coupons. It's very important you do unlock your code, so make sure you do take your time and fully complete that step. Make sure you like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.